We all remember our parents telling us, you are the company that you keep. Or maybe one time you were at home with your sibling, your mom comes in and asks, which one of you took the cookie out the cookie jar? Neither one of you admitted to it, so you were both put in timeout because you were both there. Georgia law is kind of the same, except in Georgia, getting put in timeout is not just going to the corner or going to your room for a few hours. Getting put in timeout in the state of Georgia could mean that you go to prison for the rest of your life for a crime that you did not directly commit. Today, we're going to talk about Georgia's party to a crime law, what it means, and how you can avoid being punished for a crime that you did not directly commit. Like many states, Georgia has a statute that defines party to a crime, and it states every person concerned in the commission of a crime is a party thereto and may be charged with and convicted of commission of the crime. Any party who did not directly commit the crime may be indicted, tried, convicted, and punished for commission of the crime upon proof that the crime was committed and he was a party thereto. Let's pause for a bit. Before we delve further into the meaning of party to a crime, let's talk punishment briefly. This means that in Georgia, if you are a party to a crime, you can be charged, indicted, tried, convicted, and if convicted, punished as if you in fact committed the crime. This is regardless of what happens to the person who actually did directly commit the crime. So, what does being concerned with the commission of a crime mean? A person is concerned in the commission of a crime only if the person directly commits the crime, intentionally causes some other person to commit the crime, intentionally aids or abets in the commission of the crime, or intentionally advises, encourages, hires, counsels, or procures another to commit the crime. So, what are some examples of party to a crime? If you're the getaway driver, you're a party to a crime. If you hide the gun after the crime has been committed, you're a party to a crime. If your friends are jumping on someone or beating someone up and you're in the background yelling, yeah, hit him there, or watch out, he's coming out from the back, you're a party to the crime. If you run and lie to the police to help protect your friends after the crime is committed, you're a party to the crime. These are just some of many examples that could make you a party to the crime. So, what are some examples of you not being a party to a crime? Mere presence is one example. Just as your mother would be wrong for punishing you for stealing the cookie out of the cookie jar when your brother was in fact the one who actually stole it and you were just there, Georgia prosecutors would also be wrong to try to convict you of a crime because you were merely present. Georgia courts have held that mere presence in the scene of a crime is not sufficient for a conviction. For example, let's say that you go and visit your friend at their house and you're on the couch watching TV and they're in the basement participating in some illegal activity. Georgia courts have held that your mere presence in the home does not make you a party to the crime. Prosecutors would have to show some other meaningful connection between you and the illegal activity before they can charge you as a party to a crime. Mere presence alone is not sufficient. Just as mere presence would not be enough to find that you were a party to a crime, mere association would also not be sufficient. I've seen many times that prosecutors tend to think that just because you are associated with a group, that you are a party to a crime. Georgia law has held that that is not the case. So if you are known to hang out with a group of friends, or if you're known to hang out with a particular gang, and that gang or that group of friends go out and commit a crime, prosecutors cannot come and charge you or arrest you just because you are known to be associated with that group or gang. While we should be careful of the company that we keep, it does not mean that we should be unfairly punished for something that our friends or family may have done that we had no part in. If you or someone you know has been charged as a party to a crime, make sure that you contact my firm. I'm attorney Chinway Foster with the Foster Law Firm, where we specialize in aggressive and effective legal representation. You can reach us at fosterlawga.com, or you can call us at 404 525 3082. Thank you for watching.